Okay, so welcome to um, this short introduction to XERO Accounting. Subsequently, you'll be having short videos of XERO Accounting and what you can achieve with XERO Accounting. XERO Accounting is very easy and simple to use. It's an ERP for small businesses, and it encompasses modules in all areas of accounting and even some non-accounting functions. All right. Now, what you're going to watch in the next few minutes is how to create invoices in XERO Accounting. Once you are logged into your XERO Accounting, you go to your business module and you click on Invoices. Right. Now, on your XERO Accounting invoicing menu, you can create invoices and send the invoices for approval or not. All right. So I want to go to new invoice. At the same time, the drop-down arrow, you can have new invoice, you can have new repeating invoice, and at the same time, you can add a new contact. All right, so I want a new invoice. All right, new invoice. Now, who is the invoice? What are we invoicing at this point? Okay, let me use this name. We're invoicing Dimple's Warehouse. All right, what is the reference? Okay, that's the invoice number, which is automatically generated, the issue date, and the due date. You can always adjust the due date depending on the terms of payment. All right. At the same time, you can also add your online payment method here. If it's Paystack, if it's PayPal, you can have it on your invoice such that payment can be done directly once this invoice is sent via mail. All right. The currency also can be adjusted. You can add other currencies here. For example, this is the Nigerian naira. All right. Okay, is this invoice tax inclusive or exclusive or a no tax a transaction? All right. Okay, so I'm putting the items which has already been created in prior. Now, this is one good thing with XERO Accounting. You can always add the region or the location in this case. In this case, we are using region. At the same time, you can have a location. So I'm using this as location. If it's a project-based transaction, you can also add the particular project. So as the invoice is being created, you can as well be handling your project accounting at the same time. Okay, so what else? Let me increase the price here to this and increase this to say 200. All right. So once this has been done, you can add as many lines as possible. Add as many lines as possible. Add as many lines as possible. Okay. This is to a single client. All right. So once this is done, you can see that you have your total right under here, the amount in Naira, the amount in USD, the VAT amount. All right. So once this is done, what is the next thing to do? At this point, is if the invoice, if your system of accounting requires that your invoicing method is to send invoice for approval before it is finally sent to a customer, which is quite good because it will encourage checks and balances. So a superior officer checking on what a junior officer has done. Then all you need to do is click on the drop-down arrow, and you can either save and add another, or you submit for approval. You submit for approval, or if you have the approving right, you can approve an email at the same time. All right, let me submit for approval. All right, the The invoice has been submitted for approval. Now you can see that my awaiting approval button here is showing one outstanding. So I'll click on the awaiting approval, click on the check button. At the same time, I click on approve. And the moment you click on approve, then the invoice becomes approved. Good, one item has been approved. You can always view it. Yes, that's what your invoice looks like. And at this point, you can even email it, you can print it, you can email it to your clients. You can get a link. For example, I want to email it. All right, this is what the body of the email will look like. Okay, so I'm sending this to Michael at onpointstaff.com. Okay, I want a copy of the email. All right. Okay. Okay, this is a basic email. All right, so I'm sending. Okay, so that has been sent. And that is the simple process for creating an invoice in XERO Accounting. Thank you for watching this, and please watch out for more videos from this series of XERO Accounting. Thank you.